Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're back at the Remington Lithium all-in-one grooming kit. I haven't had any success with keeping hair trimmers, clippers, whatever you want to call them. It's getting to a point where I'm buying a trimmer, grooming set, whatever you want to call it, once a month. I keep dropping them. They don't work. It's just so many different things that are happening. It's getting to the point where I gotta find something. So I decided to go with this one. Number one is because it has a wall charger instead of battery. I thought that was very important. And let me see if I can lift this out of here. Jeez Louise. And number two, I just like the way that it looked. There's actually a fingerprint on there. You see that? I wonder if this is used. Dude, that's pretty crazy. It doesn't look used, but maybe it's just the packaging, how they package it in the factory. That's pretty disgusting, though, if there was, like, hair on there. But anyway, it looks really nice. I like the way it looks. It's going to have a green light up in here. Here's some of the different devices that you can actually use on there. Which, I mean, I think is pretty cool. If you're really, like, looking at it in detail, let me see if I can put that up there. There it went there, and then it went away. So, yeah, just some of the details, you know. Look at that bad boy. That is a beaut. All right, let's see what else we got. Oh, here's a guard. It's pretty dope. So yeah, this is gonna be another try at this bad boy, and hopefully something works. It is plugged in. Feels pretty good. Feels pretty good. I'm not gonna lie about that. I like the grooves on the side to where you're able to grip and kind of hold it as you're, trimming away. This is an adjustable where it goes up and down. I like to leave mine pretty much right at the bottom, so I'm not gonna mess with that until I try it out first. But yeah, we'll let this charge real quick, and then we'll go and shave the head. All right, using two hands is a little bit easier. Yeah, you just line it up, and then you twist it on there, okay? So once again, you can pull it off this way, you twist it, pull it off, put it back on, and twist it. Let me see if I can do the other one too. This has got to be it, let me see. It's not as hard as it looks. This one does not want to go on at all. Alright, so this one's here. This one's a lot harder to put on. But once you get it on, it's secured on there. And then putting back the original. Alright, so in closing, guys, this is what we did a quick unboxing for. Was the Remington Lithium all-in-one grooming kit. And yeah, I think I'm gonna actually enjoy this one. I'm hoping so, I really am hoping so. It does not want to zoom in today. There it is. Oh wow! So real quick, I'll show you guys. You can replace these with the head and put on a different kit. You just line it up. Let me see. I'm trying to use it with one hand. All right, so you just line it up that way. Put it in there. It's kind of offset just a little bit. There it is. All right, so you get that lined up, and then you just give it a good twist. Let me see if I can get this thing. In closing, guys, this is what we just did a quick unboxing for.